Eva Trades.
Hello, welcome to the Risk Management Simulation Series. Ooh, Cartoon Land. We love it. All right, let's go look at some charts. We'll look at the rule book too and see what the progress or the lack of. Here we go. And day trading is risky, so use a simulator, practice in a simulator, and use stop losses. This is my fourth video in a row. I'm getting a little on the goofy side. So welcome to Eva Trades. This is my, hold on, let me refresh the page. So I had a red day in my last video, my last two videos. So giving back all of the profit, red on the account now. And I had said in my last video that I followed the rules 1, 2, 3, 4 the last 5 days. But yesterday, my last video, I didn't follow the rules. I was actually at my daily goal at one point, and I didn't realize it. And I should have stopped to calculate things. So I kind of broke the rule, and I proceeded to give back half. And then I continued to trade and gave back all of it, and then went and hit my daily max loss. I should have had a $100 winning day yesterday, but I wasn't paying attention. So I'm going to make sure I pay attention today. All right, my game book rules are the daily max loss is $400. So I have to stop if I hit 400, negative 400 that is. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $200, I don't have to stop. I can keep trading. Just depends on how I feel or what the market looks like. If I hit my daily goal and then give back half, I'm done. And I can't take more positions than my max loss would allow for. That being said, we have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. It's November 10th in the simulator. And this morning, there are so many stocks on the gap scan. I have no idea which one to really focus on. And I'm sure I'm not the only one in that boat. So this could be a very tricky morning. But let's break them down anyways. So starting with AMC, higher lows and higher highs on the 5-minute time frame. Anything above 545 is a higher low on the 5-minute, consolidating sideways. Tightening range, inside bars on the larger time frame, 15-minute inside bar. Looking for that bull break, hopefully, but due for, yeah, I'll stop there. RDFN, a little light on the volume, but same story, higher lows and higher highs. It is not an inside bar on the 15-minute time frame. Due for consolidation since we have been moving up for a while, but on consolidation, anything above 374 is a higher low. Bulls want to maintain that higher low and get a higher high to keep this uptrend intact. Otherwise, we would look for consolidation on a larger time frame, probably the 15-minute, if we break 374. PLTR, same story, 5-minute, higher lows and higher highs. PLTR, we have quite a bit of room to work with. Last higher low was down at 725. 1-minute trend change here, looking like possibly a double bottom right now anyways, but we have this kind of double top. We did break this last, this is an equilibrium. We broke it, barely, failed, now coming down. So bear starting to take control on PLTR. 5-minute consolidation probably going to start to happen here. Let's take a look over here now at the other screen. Not you, this you. 5-minute higher low right here at 2381. We also have another little higher low at 2415. There was an inside bar, bear break, bull break. Bulls want to get over 2486. Right now we have a 1-minute uptrend, and there we go, confirming another higher low and higher high on that 1 minute. So looking pretty good there. Pretty good volume. U is probably going to be one of those that I'll be really keeping an eye on. Speaking of which, classes. I always forget that little part. And then I wonder why I can't see. CVNA, big pullback here, breaking through the low. But bulls bought the dip. So for the moment, the bear's looking for a lower high somewhere below 874 on this 1 minute time frame. And want to see continuation to the downside for the bears, but the bulls want to hold 830 and continue to buy the dip and see a move back up through 874. We got AFRM over here, higher lows and higher highs. Didn't put in very good higher low, but we do have one at 1352. Did we break the high? 1370, trying to right now. We're above it on the 1 minute, but that doesn't mean a whole lot. Volume's a little light. I think it's maybe a thickly traded stock also, but we'll see. If the bulls can hold 1352 on a pullback and we form a tightening range here, we'd look for a break. But we have already broken an inside bar bullish on the larger time frame. So that's all I got right now. We got a minute to go till the market opens. I am spread out here. I'm wondering where I'm going to trade. I don't know. We have an equilibrium here. High, low, lower, high. Looking for a higher low. As I said before, anything above 545 is a higher low. Looking for a 1 minute higher low and higher high on AMC. So I might have a potential trade there. If we break back above 555. Wow, just so much to look at, you know, it's really poof, it blows my mind. I mean, literally, like, look at this. Here's the gap scan. I know the market's open now. This was yesterday. So we had 4 stocks yesterday. This is today. Look at all of these stocks that were on the gap scan. How do you pick the stock that is most interesting when you have that many? I mean, who's yeah, I don't know. Okay. All we can do is do what we do. So I'm going to look at my stop loss parameters. PLTR making some moves first thing. Oh man, AFRM also. So we do have some momentum going into this. See AFRM over here. RDFN also doing some stuff. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to take a trade here first thing. Spread so thin. I'm looking at PLTR, possibly trying to buy a pullback on it. But I'm just not sure. Oh, that was a nice one. Buy a dip on RDFN. It's a pretty strong breakout on it. I was hoping to buy the dip and see it continue higher and maybe get halted. I'm going to sell half there. I'm buying that on PLTR. I'm in a bunch of times on PLTR because my stop loss is so wide on this. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it there. And I'll get out of RDFN also. I'm also in a trade over here, selling, and I'm selling. So I'm at my daily goal. So now I'm at a point where if I give back half, I have to stop. I exited that for pretty much break even. Lost a little bit. I wanted to get out and kind of reevaluate here. I want to look things over just a bit. Reset some of my stop loss parameters. Just kind of get my bearings because there's a lot going on here. And oh, I don't even think that you could see the trade that I had taken. But there's one there. So I'll take the profit on that. Not making a lot on it. That's when I got really aggressive on there. And buying it again. Selling, getting aggressive. Looking for the dips. 634. See if I can get another dip on it. That probably should have waited a little, but I'll go ahead and sell it. I didn't really like the dip I got on that, so my stop loss is a little tight. I'm going to widen it out. In a trade over here now on RDFN. If I get stopped out on these here, I might have to stop. That's a $140 loss. I don't want to have to stop because we do have some momentum today. The rules is rules, right? I think I gave back half. I'm still at my daily goal. So I know I did not give back half. I'm over here trading again. I don't know if you could see that. But I just took a trade over here on a pullback and it started to break and I sold it really quick. And now it's starting to fail. So there's so much going on. I don't know how many trades you caught. I'm trying to flip back and forth between the screens and I apologize if you missed any. I did take a trade over here on CVNA when this candle here pulled back to this pivot. I jumped in it here, sold as it moved up, made 45 bucks. So everybody is consolidating right now. So now this is a point in time where I'd like to look for places where we might bounce from. So 25.32 could be a bounce potential here. We do seem to be holding on CVNA that 874 level, so I'll take a starter position on it, move my stop up to the low of that candle. Now I'm going to go ahead and get back out. Probably should have held it, yeah. But let me just kind of look things over. I need to calculate the profit. So much going on today. I've got my mind all. So 290 over there plus 73 minus 140 puts me at 223 on the day. Okay, I'm in AMC over here. Making its move up to 550. It started just to break out really quick there, so I jumped in it, and now I'm wondering if I shouldn't have. Now we have a new 1 minute candle. Yeah, see, I don't like this now. Okay, it stopped out. Dang, I just gave it all back. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Because the momentum is here. It's in the market. I just made one mistake there and ended up giving back all of my profit, guys. Not really what I had planned. So AMC got me there. Anyways, so let me see what I'm sitting at here. I was just looking over here. Geez, there's so many trades. You know, I'm really frustrated. I don't know if you can tell, but this has been a really rough last 4 trading series. The last 4 videos, or the last 3 at least. I just have really been struggling, and it's so frustrating. So let me just see. I'm up 310 over here, and then over here, plus 73, minus 200, and minus 140. Oh my gosh. So I'm up $43 on the day. So it's not a red day, but man, this could be a huge, huge day. There's so much potential left in the market right now. And I just feel bad that I'm going to miss it. See this over here? I really want to jump in this right now. Like right there at 896. I want to jump in that. But it's probably better that I don't, because, you know, if I take a loss on that, then I'm going to go red on the day. And then I'm going to be kicking myself because I broke my rules. I don't know. Maybe these rules are ridiculous. Maybe that's what you're thinking. But I've traded without them and had huge red days. So I have to think that the rules are keeping me from having those big red days, even though I'm seeing this in the account right now. I'm red in the account. It's not that bad. It's something I can overcome. So let me see here. And actually today, I kind of feel fortunate that I actually made money today, because considering how widespread the stocks were, wasn't sure which one I was going to trade, and there was so much to focus on, I was feeling overwhelmed. The fact that I made $43, well, I guess that's not horrible. So you be the judge. If you have any feedback or advice, or what do you do for your trading, feel free to leave a comment below. But otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll take one more look here at the charts and see if anything has moved. Consolidating. Well, this is going sideways. Consolidating here. Still consolidating. Consolidating. Looking like it's going to start consolidating and consolidating. So everything's kind of dropping right now. So there we have it. So at my highest point today, I was up above my daily goal. It gave back more than half, which isn't terrible. I'm still up $43. It's a win. All right. It's a win. That's how I'm going to look at it. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.